Okay, kay Jack the Ripa, Fiscal, sana makasuhan din po yung vlogger na naglalait sa physical deformities. Alam ko, bawal sa batas yun eh. Enlighten us about sa law na yun, Fiscal. If you are, kung nanglalait po kayo sa physical deformity ng tao, no, online, then you can be held liable for cyber libel. Kasi, ano yan eh, yung libel kasi, as I've discussed in my videos, no, a libel can be an imputation of a crime, a vice, or a defect. So, pag nilait kayo, nilait yung physical deformities nyo, tapos wala naman siyang justifiable reason, no? Good motives and justifiable reason to say that online against you, defamatory po talaga yan. And the person who uttered those physical defects against you, kahit na totoo po, pag may malice involved, then that is a defamatory po. Libelous po yan, no?